The CE-PS195 is a high-power, single-port PoE++ injector that delivers both power and data over a single Ethernet cable to demanding network devices. Ideal for IP cameras, decoder monitors, public view monitors, and other high-power PoE applications, the CE-PS195 simplifies installation by eliminating the need for separate power supplies and additional electrical wiring. The injector is IEEE 802.3 compliant and delivers up to 95 watts of PoE++ power while supporting gigabit network speeds. A dedicated RJ45 input handles incoming network data, allowing both power and data to be combined onto a single Ethernet cable. Its compact, surface-mountable design and smart plug-and-play operation enable quick, flexible installation across a wide range of commercial and industrial environments. The CE-PS195 is UL listed and includes an AC power cord for fast deployment right out of the box. The result is a clean, reliable, and cost-effective solution for powering PoE++ network devices over a single Ethernet connection.